At this time, I would like to invite one of the year's graduates, Kyle Daniels, to come up and present on behalf of the 2025 cohort, graduating cohort.
One of my first memories in the Department of Global Health was meeting George and Carmen from the Implementation Science program on the rooftop of the Hans Rosling building at a mixer right after orientation in 2022. They were both second years, I was a first year, and I remember feeling so intimidated. Hearing about their experiences, I wondered how I would ever measure up and honestly questioned whether I even belonged in a doctoral program. Fast forward 3 years, I've completed more than 100 credits, served as a TA for over 300 students in 3 different courses, helped get a startup off the ground, and traveled to 4 new countries as part of my doctoral work. And I know I'm not alone. Everyone graduating here today has achieved something remarkable. This room is filled with talent, resilience, and brilliance. I'm proud to call so many of you not just colleagues, but friends. The Doctorate in Global Health Leadership and Practice program, also known as the DrGH, is a unique program rooted in organizational secondments, or LPEs. As the department's newest program, we have had our difficulties as we find our footing. Thank you especially to Nancy, Judy, Allison, and Jen, and countless others for your leadership in translating the idea of the DRGH into a reality. We have all been challenged through the DRGH to reconceptualize a doctorate degree more rooted in practice. Thank you for creating the space for us to do this as students and accompanying us on our journey. To my cohort, Akena, Prigya, Patience, and Zara, it was a privilege of a lifetime to learn from, with, and alongside you. You will always be the highlight of the DRGH journey to me. And to Elliot and Lee from the inaugural DRGH cohort, congratulations. You paved the way for all of us. I remember watching via Zoom as the first 3 students graduated from the DRGH program exactly 1 year ago today. At the time, I had just started a 12-month LPE secondment. Graduation felt very, very far away. To those who are still deep in the work, you've got this. It might not feel like it today, but I promise you are further along than you think. A year ago, I could not imagine being on this stage either. And to my fellow graduates across all programs, today we officially become alumni. I don't know about you, but I'm excited to stay connected, give back, and support the department that has been our academic home these past several years. I will not sugarcoat it. We are graduating into an environment that is hostile to public health and many of the things we stand for in this department. But here's what I do know. We are trained in the social determinants of health. Whatever we go on to do next, we will bring this lens with us into the rooms we enter. And when the recognition of the need for public health comes roaring back, as it inevitably will, we will be ready to go because of the training we received here. Congratulations, class of 2025. We did it. Onward.